Hello everyone, I'm Jeff Douglas on the product team for Agentforce Vibes, and this is a demo asset tracker application, a build that followed detailed specifications of the exact intent of what I wanted to create. In the custom UI, the user can enter new asset records and view a list of the 5 most recent asset records entered. It has a number of custom fields, including a lookup to the contact object. In plan mode, Agentforce starts devising the plan and approach it will take to build this project. Agentforce asked me a few questions to ensure that the implementation aligns with my expectations. Once I provide my input and switch to act mode, Agentforce gets to work creating the metadata from my specifications. It's creating the necessary custom object and fields, Apex class, LWC, lightning page, lighting experience app, tabs, and finally the permission set for access. Once complete, Agentforce uses the Salesforce DXMCP server to deploy the application to my default org. After a successful deployment, Agentforce once again uses the Salesforce DXMCP server and assigns my user to the permission set so I can access the app, tabs, and custom object. Let's open Salesforce and take a first look at what Agentforce built. Here's our new Asset Tracker Lightning Experience app. We have a tab for the asset custom object and one for the lightning page that hosts the LWC. We can enter an asset name, the status, the acquisition date, purchase price, and select Carol White as the lookup contact record. Let's save the asset and add another one. Not bad at all. It looks like this application is working pretty much as designed. A complete functioning app with a custom UI, inputs, logic, and security, all within a few minutes. Lastly, let's look at the asset records themselves. Looks like our new record model has all the fields on the page layout. In looking at the records we just created, everything looks good. I say we ship it. The best apps start with good vibes. Code smarter with Agentforce Vibes.